We really messed up this time.
This is just ice.
Would the toilet be frozen?
We're Leon and Monique, also known as VanTastic Traveling. We've been living the van life for the past 2 years and have recently bought our new home, a converted Sprinter van. Due to 2020, we're currently back in our home country, exploring every inch of the Netherlands. Baby, it finally froze last night. I think winter is here, babe. Everything that I see is just ice. Should we go outside? Hi, good morning. We've got ice.
Wait, where are you going? If there's ice, I lost her.
This will make a pretty picture.
Snap. Whoa.
Can we go ice skating?
The whole harbor is just frozen. That's fun.
That's so cool.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Now look at Bruce. You could do with some de-icing.
So this is probably one of the most prettiest mornings I've ever had in the harbor. Don't get me wrong, it's freezing cold. Don't know if you can see that, but the sun is just rising and it's really warm, so I'll just switch sides. So this side can warm up and now this side can warm up. Should we check on Bruce, because I think he is properly frozen. Yeah, that worked better in my mind. Can you hear that sound? That is actually the ice melting, and the sun is rising and it warms up the ice, and now the water already is starting to take over. It was fun while it lasted though. Do you want coffee, babe? Do you want coffee too, babe?
Give me my coffee.
Alright. There you go.
Enough with the chit chat.
Let's do something.
We got a busy day planned.
Yeah.
That was a non-productive but beautiful morning. I'm so happy to be back on my feet, man. Jeez, I was so sick in bed with that food poisoning last week. And believe it or not, but I believe I ate too many carrots. I ate a whole bag, to be honest. And immediately after I finished that, the stomach ache came and it kept worsening throughout the day. And before I knew, I was in bed and I was not feeling good for days. I did not know it was possible to eat too many carrots. Did you? Let us know in the comment section if you knew that was a thing, or if it's just me. Look at all that mess.
Is the heater working?
It is.
Help me inside. Okay, cool. I haven't stepped him, Bruce, I think, for 2 weeks.
Do you miss him?
I do, but it's a big mess. A lot of random stuff everywhere. So basically what we're gonna do today is make sure that the van is winter ready. We decided not to live in it right now. We're gonna use the house, but we do want to make it ready because we do want to take it on road trips as soon as possible. And
as much as possible.
As much as possible. And I tell ya, it is not ready for that at all. It's not winter ready, it's not road trip ready. Would you look at this? This is ice. I'm not joking. Can
Really?
you see that? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is just ice.
Would the toilet be frozen? Would that be possible?
I'm not sure. Anyways, it's a really big mess, so we just
Check
gotta I'm not checking that thing. You can check the toilet. I'll do this. I'll take this one out.
I'll go on then. Yep, that's frozen.
Really?
Really.
So how are you gonna fix that then? Just close the door. Done.
Never been in for my life. Next.
Alright, let's get serious for 1 sec.
Yeah,
and
I'll do it.
you'll do the toilet. I'll defrost our water buckets.
And look at what my missus is doing.
I knew that was gonna be a mean thing.
It's not mean.
You were gonna say to me. I am working. I'm melting the ice water. Takes a while.
Luckily, we only have to upload this vlog on Sunday.
We got all week. But speaking of ice water, a not so fun thing happened because the pipes are frozen in our little sink. So it doesn't look like it burst or anything, but I know for sure that it is frozen because you can hear it.
Ah.
This is solid.
Oh yeah. Just be careful then. Boy oh boy. We really messed up this time.
Yeah, that's stuck.
Like some water.
Siri, Google how to defrost your pipes in your camper van, please.
Siri, it's not working anymore.
Siri, come on, Siri. I can't do this alone. Siri, help. I'll Google it. A heat gun, a plumber's torch.
Don't you have a plumber's torch?
Well, I'll be damned. I must have left it in the house then.
Well, go get it.
Alright, I thought maybe warm water would do it or something.
And then what? You get a bucket of warm water.
I thought, well, hear me out. I'm so sorry if this is the most stupid thing you ever heard. But I thought maybe we could put some hot water in the sink. So from this end, it will go into the pipes and maybe defrost it. And because it's just a loose water tank that we have, put some warm water in there. So the water pump might defrost and then try to get that working again.
What should we do? Please leave it in the comment section below.
Real quick.
Before we continue this vlog, we'd like to give a big shout out to our top tier patrons, Patrick and Aline. Thank you so much. You're absolute legends. And it is because of all our patrons that we can keep this channel running.
Now, if you're interested in supporting our channel, check out our Patreon page. We upload weekly blogs, behind the scenes stuff, short videos. You'll be the first one to know everything about us.
We'll link our Patreon page in the description below and up here somewhere.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth.
I got something to keep me warm. I just found it. Now, normally you would drink whiskey, because it's definitely whiskey, because that's all we drink. But you would drink it at room temperature. Now this is not room temperature at all. Or not room temperature, but your body temperature. Yep. Which is quite similar to my body temperature right now.
What is it? Tomaten?
I think so.
Tomaten 12.
Slunge. I'm starting to feel warm. It is the tomaten. Really good. Now, if it feels like we're exaggerating a little bit, let me tell you, we aren't. Last night was the coldest night we had in the Netherlands in the past 2 years. Record. I can feel it in my bones. Okay, keep moving, stay warm.
It just feels that over the course of the past year, we have just been moving.
I was gonna say exact same thing.
This is like,
feels like we just did this.
the only thing we've been doing past year. Moved from a house to a camper van, into a house again, bought a new van, moved into the house before we could move into the new van. Then we moved into the apartment for Christmas, moved back into the house. I just want to move back into Bruce and travel. It's what we're made for. And?
It's damp.
Really?
Yeah, it is. So I think it's best to get all of the clothes out and just throw them in the washer. Okay, I think we're almost done. We cleared almost everything. They're just bits and bobs, like they say. Bits and bobs.
You're proper English.
We want to unfold the bed, didn't we? Because our new mattresses, our brand new mattresses are having a tough time, I think, because it's been pretty cold.
Okay, well, I haven't seen the mattresses in the past 2 weeks. And it has been freezing, it has been a bit moldy.
I just hope they're not moldy.
Looks fine to me.
Looks okay.
Yay!
Yes!
That's a win.
Yes! First win of the day. I think I need a win today. This is a win. Let's leave it at that. Yeah.
The plan was to tackle the problem with the frozen pipes and the frozen water pump tomorrow, but I just checked the weather forecast and it will be freezing pretty much all week, day and night. So I don't think postponing will help a lot. And what I'm going to try first is fill one of the water tanks with warm water, and hopefully the water pump will defrost while bathing in warm water. I could use a bath, by the way. It's so freakishly cold, mate. So, first attempt.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
No idea if this is going to work or if I'm just going to make it worse, but we'll just give it a go.
You see, I know this, but the last day
Solid.
in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it.
And now we'll wait, I guess. I got an idea. I have to run to the apartment real quick. There we go. This is our first electrical heater that we bought 2 years ago when we started van life. We thought we could do with a small 1500 watt electrical heater to warm up our previous van, Peggy, the big camper van. We used it in Scotland, where it was like a standard minus 10 degrees Celsius. Didn't really do the trick for us, but this might be useful today. Let's see if it still works. It does. It's been 2 hours, it's almost dark outside. Gertie's been blowing for 2 hours directly at the pipes, and the pipes feel okay. They don't feel frozen anymore. And I think the only way we can find out is to turn on the tap, really. Okay, ready? Yes! Victory!
Yay! Woo!
Yep.
You interested in some solid olive oil?
Well, first things first. Should be enough. Look at this little thing.
Oh no! Oh yeah.
I'll give you a few in your own.
Oh no!
No, I'll get it.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we